Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. So on this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to bead on illusion net or skin tone net like the one you are seeing right in front of you. Fortunately enough, I'm going to be showing you how I did it on this very dress. So let's get to work. This is the before look of the dress. It was actually my birthday dress, so I decided to revamp it. But this tutorial is strictly about beading on skin tone net or illusion net. Here I have varieties of crystals in size 4, 6. You can add 8 if you want, even 12 depending on what you desire. Then here I have fishing line. You can use 0.25 or 0.30 mm. Here I have size 6 pearls. Then my beading needle. Please feel free to add varieties of beads to your combinations. Do not limit them to these numbers of beads. So I'm going to insert the fishing line into my needle. So I'm going to put it into my needle, then straight away we will start beading. So what you do is just drag a little part of it out on the other side, then make the other one longer, then you tack. Make sure you tack at least 2 times so that you're sure it does not come off loose from the fabric. After doing so, you are going to penetrate your needle from the face of the fabric. You wouldn't want it to inconvenience the person that will wear it, so you do it from the face, from a hidden corner where the threading will not be seen. Then you will start to pick your beads. I started picking with the crystal, size 4 crystal. So I'm going to bead it around the edge of the bust line or the bust cup or whatever you call it. I'm just going to bead around the edge like so, making sure that I pick varieties, making sure that I pick them one by one. Pick the different crystals, the pearls, mix them up one by one. Ensure you pick different sizes. So guys, I'm done beading around the first line. So I'm going to go again for the second time. This is how I'm going to do it over and over again, like repeatedly till I get the desired result. When doing this, ensure you do not squeeze your fabric. That's why I am placing my hands right behind the net to make sure that it's flat and straight before I tack beads on it, so that it do not end up squeezed or folded. So I'm done beading around it the first time, so I'm going to go back the second time. This I'm going to do it repeatedly till I cover the whole 2 net. This is how I'm going to be beading. I'm done with that other line now, so I'm moving to the other side to start the first line. So I'll be beading with the same consistency, the same spacing, and ensuring that I'm picking varieties of beads along the way. You pick one crystal, maybe size 4, then the next can be crystal size 6, the next can be a pearl, like that. That way you do not leave any bead behind, or you do not pick less of any bead. You end up picking them equally, and they will look evenly spread at the end of your beading. So guys, this is how far the beading is going. So there's basically nothing too difficult about beading on tulle net. The only thing I would advise when beading on tulle net is for you to be very gentle and careful, so that you do not squeeze the net at the end of the day. If this type of hand beading is not convenient for you, I would advise that you use a body foam or a mannequin to ensure that you do not squeeze the tulle net. You can wear the dress for a mannequin or a body foam, then you stand and bead, or you sit and bead. So guys, with what I have shown you so far, I believe that you can achieve this on your tulle net attires. You can also use invisible thread. In fact, invisible thread is advisable, but in the case that you do not have invisible thread, you can use fishing line, but make sure it's not bigger than 0.25 mm. So guys, I'm just going to stop right here, believing that I've shown you most of what you need to see to achieve a beautifully beaded tulle net. I hope that this helps out somehow. So see you guys in the next tutorial. Don't forget to leave your comments, and please subscribe to this channel for more beading tutorials. So voila, here is the final look